723 Whitehorse Road Mont Albert. I know that address off by heart. We've got Steve at the show here.
Doing some work.
Doing some work for a change,
Everything you heard is wrong. Oh, man, look,
Well, tell us what you got here, Steve. What should I come back when you finish bagging?
we have exclusively Abrolhos coral and live rod gear. Beautiful stuff. A couple of hours boat ride out of Geraldton. It's all 100% maricultured. Some lovely mini maxis and stacks of lovely SPS. You've come a bit late. We've sold all the best ones already, but look, still have a look.
Always.
Stuff. It went within about like half an hour. There's a mad.
And a much bigger tank this year, so more
And
coral obviously.
much bigger. Is my face blue? I mean, I know it's like,
It is, but you know,
it's like
yeah,
Smurf,
it's fine.
right? Yeah. So, I mean, if you can get the camera in there, I'm sure you will, and have a look. There's still some really lovely stuff. There's those mini maxes are pretty special.
The mini maxes are beautiful. I'm actually surprised they're not all sold yet.
There were quite a few.
And they can expect to obviously see all these pieces of coral in store as well.
All the time. So, it's all maricultured, all sustainably grown by the guys at Abrolhos Coral, and we're just so proud to be involved with them and doing a joint venture on it.
Amazing.
And great people and a great lot of fun.
And if they want to find your store,
723 Whitehorse Road Mont Albert.
every single time. Thank you very much, Steve.
Peace.
See you, mate.